Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index fell 1.65% last week, closing at 99.78 before briefly touching 99.42 on Monday. This was its sharpest weekly sell-off since late January. The Fed's cautious policy stance and Japan's intervention in the currency market accelerated the unwinding of crowded dollar positions. With momentum still weak, the index may remain under pressure below the key 100 level. WTI crude opened almost 7% lower on Monday after President Trump suspended planned strikes on Iran and talks between Washington and Tehran resumed. Prices briefly fell below $80 before stabilizing near 78.7. However, shipping disruptions around the Strait of Hormuz and fresh attacks on regional energy infrastructure continue to support risk premiums, suggesting that further upside remains possible. Gold rebounded above $4,050 an ounce on Monday after renewed US-Iran peace talks pushed oil prices lower and eased inflation concerns. Investors are now turning their attention to this week's US labor market data, especially Friday's employment report. Markets are also pricing in a roughly 68% chance of a 25 basis point Fed rate increase in September, keeping gold highly sensitive to incoming data. Yen fell nearly 4% last week and extended its decline to 155.23, the lowest level since February. The yen was supported by a hawkish Bank of Japan meeting and direct intervention by Japanese authorities. Trading volumes surged as officials bought yen and sold dollars. With markets now expecting another rate increase by year-end, the broader direction for the yen has become increasingly clear. Euro rose for a fifth straight session on Monday, reaching 1.1535 and its highest level since mid-June. The euro gained 1.46% last week, although the move was driven mainly by broad US dollar weakness rather than stronger eurozone fundamentals. A sustained break below 100 in the dollar index could lift the pair further, but any dollar rebound may quickly limit those gains.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.